It's time again for the puller of heat, the mystery box master, the Kentucky Black Light Bandit, the one, the only, Randy.
Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here, opening up a couple of Kellogg's NFTs. One I won on a waffle, the 15 pack, uh, and then I bought a standard to open up with them. And then I'm also opening up some sodas that I got from Hero Realms. Got a couple of number fives and about three Georgie Sanderson. But before we get into that, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. All right, we're going to do the NFTs first and then come back and open up some of these sodas here. We're going to open up the standard first. So let's see what we got. We got the common Freddy Funko Dig'em, common Dig'em, uncommon Toucan, epic Max Token, not too bad, and a rare Max Token head. So nothing. We got a couple of good ones, an epic and a rare. So not too bad. Would have been cool to hit a legendary. I've seen some people pull a legendary on the commons before they do the premiums. So was hoping, but didn't happen. So now we'll open up the premium set. Fruit Loop common, the toaster rare. That's kind of cute. Another rare toaster. Uncommon Fruit Loops. Uncommon Dig'em. Common Toaster. Uncommon Sugar Pops Pete. Common Tony the Tiger. Common Tony the Tiger. Wait a minute. They both. Okay. They're both commons. Dig'em, common. Ooh! Tony the Tiger Jr. So we got a grail. So we hit a grail. So we got a redeemable. So that's pretty cool. See what else we got. Common Toaster. Common Tony the Tiger. Uncommon Cornelis. And our last one, common Fruit Loops. So that's not bad. Hey, at least we got a redeemable. So that's good. Cool. So give me just a second. I'll be right back. and we'll open up these sodas right here. Alright, now let's get into these sodas here. Let's do a George. Just the common. I've already got a common, so I'm looking for the chase, of course. I think I already got like 2 commons. Yes, just the common. Is 1 in 8,400. All right. Let's open up another George. See if we can keep the streak going. We got a grail on the NFT, so just the common. Just the common. Alright, last chance. Let's see what we got. Wow, no luck whatsoever on this one. Just the common. Yeah, no luck. Yep, common. Alright, now we're going to try number 5. I believe the chase on this one is he's bloody, but I'm not sure. Looks like a common. Common, I'm pretty sure. Yep, just the common. He is 1 in 8,400 too. Just common. feel pretty cool. Yep, just common. Well, no luck in the soda game, but we didn't do too bad on the NFTs. We got a redeemable and a grail, so that is sweet. But I just want to say to everyone out there, mad love your way, mad love to future ones that will subscribe, and please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified of the next videos that are coming. And you all have a good day or a good night, depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.